Welcome to the road to 50K. So in this video, this is part 1 of the road to 50K. So basically what I'll be doing in this video series is making a lot of money, thousands of dollars, like I just did right there, to try to get to $50,000 within the next few weeks. So let's dive right in. So the strategy we're using is the Supertrend strategy. So basically, we're just going to be following exactly what it says, but we're kind of just following the trend here. So of course, we want to consider what direction it's moving, generally speaking. But let's say it's trending upwards, then a buy will be the best move typically, especially if it says buy early on. So we don't want to get in many candlesticks later. Okay, well, we want to get in right when it says buy or right when it says sell. Okay, and we want to follow the trend. So right here we're just doing very short scalps, really. So these are 5-second candles, 15-second trades, really. And this went into the sell about 5 candlesticks ago, so it's a little bit deeper than I like it to be. And yeah, this is more neutral though. I would say neutral. So if it goes buy or goes sell, it's both are actually good for this one. This is more neutral. This just went into sell. I think it's still a decent sell. Although it is going upwards a little bit, so I didn't take a look at that very deeply. Because some of these sell levels here are quite short, as you can see right here. But as you see right here, I'll probably still win this trade. So voila, won another almost $3,000 right there. And right here, yeah, this one's a little bit more neutral, more down. So yeah, let's try to find something with a recent buy or sell. So this had a recent buy, although it is going downwards quite a bit. It's going downwards a little bit too much for me to be comfortable with this, because as you see right here, it did say buy right here, but since it's trending downwards, the buy level here was very short. It was 5 candlesticks, so that was not ideal. This one just went to the sell. I think it's probably worth it. Let's see. Still in the sell level right here. This one's a little bit iffy because I got in a little bit late, as you see right there. So I wouldn't be surprised if I lost this one. Yeah, I lost this one. So that's what happens when you get, 5, 6, 7 candlesticks late. So I got in roughly around here. So this was already, 6, 7 candlesticks late. It's a little bit too late. So you really want to enter anywhere from 1 to 3 candlesticks in, maybe 4 candlesticks in. That's okay. So let's see here. This one just had a buy level right here, but I think it's going downwards a little bit too much for me to be comfortable with it, so I wouldn't do that personally. Okay, so buy level here as well. I think this is a fairly comfortable level right here, but it's going upwards quite a bit. So it did a sell level very recently. Let's see. I don't think this will win, actually. This is likely not going to win, but it's okay. We're going to make our money back. Okay. Just too much downwards movements. I'll do this. Let's see. Yeah, so this is more neutral. There's a lot of ups, lots of downs. It's not really any definitive up or down right here. So there, made our money back. Let's just try to cross this 30,000. Maybe get a little bit more for this video. Recent buy level here. I think this is likely worth it. Let's see. Okay. There's a crossover happening here as well, so that's not optimal. This is if there's a crossover downwards, that's a signal that it might go downwards more. So we did profit there. That's great. But we definitely want to look out for these other signals. Recent sell level here, but obviously it's a huge upwards trend. I think this was the one that we went to before, or maybe it's a very similar one. Recent buy level here. As you see, it's going downwards a lot, so it's not good at all. So as you see right here, the buy level is very short buy levels, very long sell levels. So if it does a sell here, that would be very optimal. Yeah, see. Let's go back to the top, let's say. Sell level here. Right now, I think it's in an upward trend, so this is a little bit risky. Especially if there's an upwards crossover here. If there's an upwards crossover here, then it's gonna push through this, as you see right there. Yeah. So the sell level there is very short for obvious reasons. Let me try to do a buy there because it's upwards moving. It's a buy level, uptrending. So let's see. I mean, this does not look so promising, but let's see. I think it's a 50-50 chance. Say. Okay, so never did win. We're well above 30,000 now. So let's maybe try to do one more trade. If we don't find anything within the next minute though, then I'm gonna cut this video loose and then continue this video on another time. Recent sell level here. See this. Okay, so I broke through this level. Let's see. That's not the optimal, but let's see. Now it is going back down. Okay, so we still did profit. Yeah, this strategy has around a 60-ish% win rate, so you can expect a good amount of losses, but you can also expect a good amount of wins. So right here, we're now at almost $34,000 from just a few minutes of trading. We were in the 20,000s just a few minutes ago. So this is Pocket Option right here. It's my favorite binary options trading platform. And if you want to get a 50% welcome bonus with Pocket Option, go over to becoin.net, click on Pocket Option right here, enter this promo code, and becoin.net also offers plenty of trading forecasts for cryptocurrencies, forex, and stocks. Happy trading.